和 ChatGPT 约专将为南福建话也等做歌。
伫扫地装过，做条一条白的帐篷扫车，我人行过山花，一路拢咧笑。倒无人香气，互我人精神焕发光彩。骑马手歌有影安尼趣味，今年有扫车歌。
From what I can tell, it sounds like you're singing Jingle Bells in Hokkien. The original song is by James Lord Pierpont, and it was first published way back in 1857. Nicely done.
The second song，我人起好，自集伫树的周围，举着一杯酒，然后甲我人斗阵唱歌。所以，是客家生下骹斟歌，干杯，然后为12个的说祈祷。我知今年无痛苦，但是是时阵爱放手了。明年的代志，伫人会知咧，就是即阵，就讲耶诞节快乐。
All right, from what I'm hearing, it sounds like you're singing Auld Lang Syne. The original song is a traditional Scottish tune written by Robert Burns, and it's typically sung at New Year's Eve celebration.
请观众第2集，佫继续约耶诞做歌。